Hi, this is Jeremy from Dejero again, and I'm here to show you guys how to connect multiple accessories to your iPhone in order to use a external IFB and a lapel mic like I'm using right now, using these at the same time while using the LivePlus mobile app from Dejero. So similar to the previous video, what we've been able to do now is take that Ethernet encoder and still keep that same capability at home and also allow you to use IFB and a lapel mic here to get better audio for your live shots at home. All right, now I'm going to show you guys how to add in all these accessory devices to your iOS device so that way we can utilize the LivePlus mobile app utilizing a Ethernet connection and a external microphone while also utilizing IFB. I have my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I'm going to utilize something from our previous video, which is the Lightning adapter with the USB or the camera adapter for the iPhone. So this is going to connect into our phone. And then next, what I'm going to do is bring in a self-powered USB hub. In this case, I just grabbed one on Amazon. It's called a Tola USB 3 hub. So this one, as an external power source, I can also apply power to individual ports on here. So that way I can have different things that need power or don't need power on here. All right. Then I'm going to add in my USB lapel mic, which I was able to find one from Fine. It's Fifine. And this one comes with a audio jack or a 3.5 millimeter jack to be utilized with a headphone, and then it simply has a lapel mic on the other end. And then I'm going to be utilizing the AirFly Pro. This one allows you to connect two Bluetooth devices to this 3.5 millimeter jack, which will allow me to be able to do some things and connect my AirPods, in this case, to use for hearing my IFB. And then I'm also utilizing a USB to Ethernet adapter. Alright, now I'm going to start connecting everything. First thing I'm going to do is connect that camera adapter to my iPhone. Once I have that connected, I can connect my USB hub. Sorry, rotate. There you go. Then I can also apply power on here to my phone so I can still charge my phone while still doing all of this stuff and going live. Then I'm going to connect my USB hub on here, or connect my Ethernet adapter to my USB hub. Then I'm going to connect my lapel mic with the 3.5 millimeter out. Then on there I'm also going to connect my AirFly Pro, and this is going to be connected on here and then just simply turned on. There's a switch on the side here. I turn it on so that way it'll start broadcasting, and then I'll just simply connect my AirPods. So in this case I'm going to be utilizing the newer AirPods. Then I'm ready to connect my Ethernet connection on here. So I'm going to connect that to my USB to Ethernet. And I'm also going to make sure I apply power to the USB hub in this case, so that way I can make sure that it's powered externally. Once it's powered externally, then I don't have to worry about pulling power from my iPhone at all. And I'm able to charge my iPhone and utilize this hub with all these accessory devices at the same time. All right, now that we're back in the LivePlus mobile app, what I'm going to do now is show you what it looks like when I go live now that I have everything connected. As you can see, I have my audio coming in on my lapel mic. Then I have my IFB that'll be coming across on my Bluetooth headset, in this case my AirPods, and those are connected to the AirFly Pro. Alright, now I'm going to go live on here, and then we're going to go through what it looks like on the screen after we go live. So while I'm starting my stream, you'll see that all the connections are being tested just like in the previous video. So you're going to see the Ethernet tested on the bottom, cell, then Wi-Fi. And what it's going to do is measure all those connections, and then it's going to decide to put most of the weight, most of the bandwidth on your Ethernet connection, which you can see down here. You see the Ethernet, cellular, and Wi-Fi. As well, you can also see the IFB over here on the right on the screen. So that shows that I'm getting IFB, which right now I'm hearing tone in here, and I'm able to go live while getting IFB and utilizing all these different external connections for the iPhone. Well, I hope this video has provided you some quick and easy ways to utilize the LivePlus mobile app and essentially be able to go live from home with a bunch of extra devices on here that I think that is pretty cool, considering that a lot of folks don't know how to utilize all these external devices with an iPhone, because we're always looking for the different dongles that do this and that. So the great thing about this is we're simply using a USB hub, self-powered, and then after that we're plugging in all these devices, and the iOS operating system is picking everything up on its own and along with our app. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and keep your questions coming so we can provide more answers for you guys. Thank you.